Hello world, this is Angga and welcome back to my video about Frame.js tutorial series. Well, in this video we're going to learn about how to working with the sounds or the voice that in this voice that we can use for the events or we can use for the animation. Okay, well, we're going to open the framer and this is my design. Yeah, you know about this design. And then we just need to go to code. Okay, and we can use by ourselves, just write the code, or we can use the snippet here and go to sounds, and we have 4 options that you can hear. Yeah, so currently so many application has the sound where the notification from the Facebook or from the Twitter, even from the our smartphone has the notification sound. Okay, so let's get started. I will choose the notification and it's autoplay. So basically this is variable and this is the function and this is the parameter. This parameter used for the path location for our sound. Alright, so after this I want to show you how to make our sound. Okay, well, this is the function, so we can apply the sounds, so you can change it abc and abc dot play. Oops. Okay, but I want to make it more perfectly, so what I gonna do is create an event. Maybe when we can go back to design and select this get start and select the target, and then I want to click here and event, and when I click it's going to abc play. Okay, it's easy, really easy. And then the next one is how to make our sounds. So you can use the QuickTime. Well, I want to show you. Currently I'm using the QuickTime and file and new audio recording. Okay, and then select this to open it. I'm using the Samsung, so I will try. Hello world, let's get started. So I have paused this and just go to file and export and audio only, and then I will go to my documents and Angga events and sound, and this is get sound. Save. So we can try right now. Get sound, and the extension is maybe MP3. Let's try. Okay, so you can hear. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, where basically if we want to make your voice, just put all of your voice inside the folder sounds, or it doesn't matter about the folder name, so you can change it, maybe assets, and then you should change it to assets. Okay, it's very simple. Well, thank you very much to watching this video tutorial, and I hope you can understand. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Angga. Goodbye.